10x commission review. In today's review, I'll be going to review a brand new case study which exposes how Subhash, who is the creator of this particular product, makes at least 196 US dollars every single day and gets around 300 hot leads for free using the top three traffic sources that you can copyright right now. So this is about this one called commission review. 10x commission review. So what you will be learning about this is you will be learning about affiliate marketing by using three affiliate traffic sources, and this is a perfect this one for a newbie. It's a perfect match for a newbie. A newbie can really become successful with this particular product. So this is about commission 10x commission review. In short, make sure that you stay till the end of this video review, as I will be going to tell you about the upsells and the OTOs and what this product. I'll be giving you a demo of this product so that you can make an informed decision on what you're buying and what is right for you. So, if you are new to my channel, my name is Prakash, and I make affiliate. I'm a digital affiliate marketer, and I make videos like this from time to time. And make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also you click on the bell icon so that you can get informed about whenever I'm loading new videos into this channel. So at any time during this video, if you want to have a peek at the product, so kindly click the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page so that you can grab the product there. So in a nutshell, 10x commission is a brand new step-by-step training method to make daily real affiliate commissions using three free traffic sources with YouTube traffic, Facebook, and a chat box traffic source. So you can replicate this success to make affiliate commissions daily and generate around 100 to $200 free leads also using this method. See, 10x commissions is definitely newbie friendly, as I told you right in the beginning, that any newbie can just jump into this affiliate bandwagon and make some commissions, even though hard work is required. Definitely, yes, hard work will be required. So apart from that, you could make, because this course outlines how to make money in this particular video course. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, just click the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. Just scroll down this button. You're going to find a red button here. Click on this button, and this button will be live as of 9 a.m. Eastern on the 20th of January, and you're going to get the front end of 10x commissions at around 12.95 US dollars. So if I don't want you to miss on these bonuses, because I put bonuses for you as usual, and these bonuses are something which are really I've taken a lot of time to put these bonuses together. So I want you to look at these bonuses before you make a purchase decision. So now just let us have a look at the demo video and what this thing is all about. So that was the demo video for you. So now just have let us look at the bonuses that are in store for you. The bonus number one is, what you'll be getting is zero to $100 in 24 hours. Are you new to launch jacking? This is going to be a course if you're a newbie and want to learn about how to launch jack and make affiliate commissions, you will be getting a step-by-step training of how to launch jack, and also you will be getting access to all the tools required. So this is a way how a person makes money from $0 to $100 without any source in one day. So this is a case study, come also a real time a real life situation where a person makes $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So that is the bonus number one. Bonus number two is two ways to monetize and make 10x commissions. Inside this bonus, you will learn two unique methods of how to make money using 10x commissions apart from the methods mentioned inside 10x commissions. So this is your bonus number two. Bonus number three is build a landing page and connect to Aweber. This is again a very good list building resource. How you can build a landing page and connect it to Aweber, which is a um, autoresponder, and you can connect this totally step by step. It is showed you in this particular info course. So this is my third bonus. My fourth bonus, what you'll be getting is you'll be getting atomic DFY, which is you will be getting at least 30 assets and tons of traffic monetizations. You'll be getting a 30 done for you campaigns, so you can just send all the traffic whatever you got uh, in 10x commissions, and you can send them to these particular offers, and you can really make some good money out of this particular software done for you, atomic done for you. So bonus number five is I go and access to all the bonuses the vendor is given to me to give it to you. So that's what you're going to get. And there are five premium bonuses in this vendor bonuses, and all these vendor bonuses will be available to you in the members area. So all these bonuses along with the vendor bonuses are 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end of this particular product, which costs you around 12.95 US dollars. To get all these bonuses, all you need to do is click the link in the description below. That will bring you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. So click on these red buttons, and it will take you to the Warrior Plus sales page, and there you can buy this product. So after you buy this product, now how are you going to get your bonuses? Is you go after you buy the product, you will come to Warrior Plus page, which something like this. You will be having this username on the top right hand corner. Just click on this username button, and down there'll be there'll be a menu, drop down menu, which comes like this. Just click on this purchase history, and it will take you through to a page which looks something like this. Access your purchase. So just click on this green button, and you get access to all your purchases. Down below is a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. Just click on this access affiliate bonus, and you're going to get all these bonuses 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end of this particular product. Now just let us go through the upsells. The upsell is I told you the front end is going to cost you around $12.95. So the OTO number one is 1 to 50 is $57 advanced training. So there's a downsell for this OTO, which is at $37, again advanced training. OTO number two is $47 done for you edition package, and of course this OTO two you're getting a complete campaign here in Atomic done for you. So you're getting 30 campaigns, and you can promote these campaigns to get this thing. So and this is a downsell at $27. OTO three is a resale license at $97. Of course, there's a downsell at $77, and OTO number four is unlimited traffic zone, and of course you're getting this for around downsell of 67 US dollars. So this is basically about the OTOs for this tax commissions. And now, just have a let us have a look at the sales page. What the sales page has got to say. Brand new case study exposes how we are generating around 196 US every single day and make around 300 hot leads free using the top three traffic sources that you can copy. So this basically builds traffic with Facebook, YouTube, and also chatbots. I told you. So this is about this particular product. So you just click on this button to get this product at any point of time, and all you have to do is no, just click on this. You will see a lot of uh, a lot of testimonials of how money is being made on this particular this one. And also you will be a lot of there are a lot of there are a lot of video testimonials of the guys who are making money with this particular offers. And now you're going to get also a money back guarantee along with this. So, and he's the creator of this product, Mr. Subhash. He's crushing it on the internet right now, and he's doing pretty well on this particular commission in this 10x, using the same methods as 10x commissions. So this is about the sales page, guys. So just have a look. Let us have a look at the membership area and let us see what is there in the membership area. So as usual, there are around 4 modules here and upgrades, resource, and here you got your bonuses here. So this is your module number 1 is you got welcome to membership area, blueprint of getting success. Select the right affiliate network and find the best converting offers. And module number 2 is you've got get guaranteed approval to all these affiliate links and all these affiliate sites like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. How to get a guaranteed approval, because getting approval is a big issue here. So create a review bonus page and create a review video. And here we have got module number 3, rank a review video on YouTube, build original free traffic channel source, secret method to generate 100 to 500 free target leads per day guaranteed. And module number 4 is step up your ManyChat account, how to create Facebook business page, and how to get chatbot subscribers, how to create broadcast and promote offers, and 193.08 case study. So I think this module covers everything here. So I feel this is a fantastic product if you are a newbie, and Next Commissions is the way to go and way to get started with this particular affiliate marketing. So if you're watching this video, there's a 50% chance that no, you have not subscribed to the channel, and there's a 100% chance you can just change that by just pressing the subscription button, and also pressing the bell icon. So thank you very much for watching this video, and until my next video, goodbye.